Introducing the Vercise Remote Control 4. This video is intended to provide a basic overview of the Boston Scientific Vercise DBS Remote Control 4. The Vercise DBS Remote Control 4 is a Bluetooth-enabled discrete handheld device that allows you to communicate with your stimulator. You can use your remote control for a variety of functions, such as turning your stimulation on or off, switching between programs, adjusting the amplitude of your therapy, and entering MRI mode. Your remote control will also display important messages about your stimulator and the remote control battery. So, let's get started. Unlocking the remote control. To start, press and hold the Lock/Unlock button on the right-hand side of your remote for approximately 3 seconds to unlock your remote control. Understanding the home screen. Once your remote is unlocked, you will see the home screen. The layout of the home screen will differ between the non-rechargeable stimulator and the rechargeable stimulator. If you have a non-rechargeable stimulator, you will see the remote control battery level, the stimulation status, whether it is on or off, and the currently active program. If you have a rechargeable stimulator, you will also be able to see the battery level of your stimulator. It is important to note that while charging your rechargeable stimulator, your remote control will not be able to communicate with it. To turn your stimulation therapy off, from the home screen, press the red star button in the center of the remote control. Press again to turn the stimulation on. Your clinician may have enabled a feature that will allow you to adjust your stimulation to help you manage your symptoms. Starting on the home screen, press the right arrow. Next, on the main menu screen, press the down arrow to highlight the stimulation option. Then press the right arrow to select it. From here, you can press the plus and minus buttons to adjust your stimulation. On the amplitude screen, L corresponds to the left side of the body and R to the right side. You can switch between which side you want to adjust by using the right and left arrows. If you have reached your stimulation limit, the remote will state Limit Reached. Push the center button to return to the main menu. Changing between programs. In certain situations, your clinician may provide you with multiple stimulation programs. To change the current program, press the P button on the left side of the remote control. Press the right arrow to select Change Programs. Next, use the up and down arrows to select your desired program. To activate the selected program, press the right arrow. You must use the remote control to enable MRI mode on your stimulator before an MRI scan is performed. You should only exit MRI mode once the scan is complete. Do not leave the stimulator in MRI mode for extended periods of time or beyond what is needed for your scan. If you have a rechargeable stimulator, ensure the stimulator battery is fully charged before MRI mode is enabled. Remember, when you are in MRI mode, your stimulation will be turned off. To enter MRI mode from the home screen, press the right arrow to show the main menu. Press the down arrow to navigate to System Settings. Press the right arrow to select it. Press the down arrow again to navigate to the Enter MRI mode option. Press the right arrow to select this. Next, select the Yes option to enter MRI mode. When entering MRI mode, the stimulator performs a number of checks. After these checks, the MRI mode enabled screen is displayed and your stimulation is turned off. The home screen will display the MR conditional symbol when MRI mode is enabled. Always check the MRI home screen before entering the MRI scan room. To exit MRI mode, follow the same path from the main menu by selecting the System Settings option. Navigate using the down arrow to select the Exit MRI Mode option. Press the right arrow to select this. Next, select the Yes option to exit MRI mode or No to remain in MRI mode. Once again, the stimulator performs several checks before MRI mode is disabled. Once MRI mode is disabled, The screen will display MRI mode disabled, and the MR conditional icon will no longer appear on your home screen. When the battery in your remote control is low, your remote control will display a warning on its screen reminding you to charge it. To charge your remote control, connect the USB power supply to the top of the remote control and plug the other end into a mains power outlet. When power is connected, the display will show a message letting you know your remote control is charging. The remote control typically has a lifespan of 400 charging cycles. For more information about the Versailles DBS Remote Control 4 and its functionality, please refer to your Versailles DBS Remote Control 4 handbook or contact your local representative.